Most people use search engines like simple lookup tools, but the smartest creators use them like research engines, systems that analyze, summarize, and connect ideas with one prompt. Today, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for research and ideation, and compare it with tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI so you know when it truly outperforms. Let's begin. Perplexity AI is not just another chatbot. It's built for real research. You enter a question, and behind the scenes it performs dozens of searches, reads hundreds of sources, and reasons through them to deliver a concise answer. Where ChatGPT might rely on its training data, Perplexity connects to live web results, giving you up-to-date information with citations. That makes it ideal for topics where accuracy and current info matter. Here's how to use it like a pro. Prompt 1. The question foundation. Start by being specific. For example, what are the top 5 emerging wildfire suppression technologies in 2025? Summarize each and provide one source link. Then ask follow-ups. How are these funded? Which countries are deploying them? That makes Perplexity deliver structured, source-backed insight much faster than adding "let's create an essay" in ChatGPT. Prompt 2. Block analyzers. Once you have your answer, use the built-in tools. In Perplexity's deep research mode, you can add a second command. Analyze bias in the sources. Point out weak data and suggest 2 opposing views. This gives you both insight and skepticism, something many tools don't emphasize. Prompt 3. Idea generation. After summarizing, ask, generate 5 content ideas or headlines based on this research. Rank by audience interest. Look how it compares. Claude AI can do idea generation too, but Perplexity's live data gives you fresher angles. ChatGPT might give you solid ideas, but they'll lean on older training data, not live web reports. Prompt 4. Rapid prototyping. Once you pick an idea, feed it back. Draft a blog post outline with 5 sections, each with 150-word summary and 1 key data point from the sources. Here the difference shows. Perplexity's answer includes citations and current stats. Claude and ChatGPT might need you to provide sources manually. Prompt 5. Delivery formats. When you have your draft, ask the system to export. Give me the paragraph text, a tweet version under 280 characters, and 3 caption variants. Perplexity handles this well when it has the research foundation. The others perform too, but you'll save time and verification because Perplexity's citations reduce your double-checking. Now let's compare performance. When Perplexity wins, research that needs current, credible sources, quick summarization with citation, generating content ideas that reflect live trends. When ChatGPT or Claude might be better. Long-form creative writing, where training data flexibility helps. Tone matching for brand voice when you provide a sample. Tools with built-in integration into content systems. My verdict: if you're doing deep research, trend spotting, or content ideation based on what's happening now, Perplexity is your tool. If you're writing long scripts, articles, or branded tone pieces and have the time, use Claude or ChatGPT for the finish. Often the best workflow. Perplexity to research plus outline write arrow, ChatGPT/Claude to write and tone refine. Here's the mindset shift. Research isn't just Google on steroids. It's framing a question, getting structured insight, generating ideas, and then creating with purpose. When you treat Perplexity like a research partner, you stop spinning loops and start building with speed. So next time you open the browser, ask big questions, get real answers, then build content that no one else will because they're still stuck in old search habits. That's how future creators win. This is Incognito Future Lab, where we learn to research, create, and innovate with AI. Make sure you hit subscribe.